What if I told you the food on your plate in 2050 won't come from a farm, but from a lab? Or that your burger might be grown in a petri dish and your salad harvested in a skyscraper? Welcome to the future of food, a world where science meets sustainability, and the way we eat is about to change forever. By 2050, the global population will reach nearly 10 billion people. We are running out of farmland, water, and resources. Traditional agriculture is one of the biggest contributors to climate change, responsible for nearly a quarter of global greenhouse gas emissions. If we don't change the way we produce food, we could be headed for a crisis. But what if the solution lies in innovation? Imagine biting into a juicy burger that was never part of a cow. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, is made by growing animal cells in a lab. It's real meat, but without the environmental toll of raising livestock. But will it taste the same? And more importantly, will people accept it? What if we could grow food in the heart of the city, without soil, sunlight, or even rain? Vertical farming is revolutionizing agriculture by stacking crops in controlled environments. These farms use 95% less water and no pesticides, and they can produce food year-round. From Singapore to New York, vertical farms are sprouting up in urban areas, bringing fresh produce closer to consumers. But can they scale up? To feed the world, plant-based meats are no longer just for vegans. Companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods have created products that look, cook, and taste like real meat, but they are made entirely from plants. These alternatives are not only healthier, but also far better for the planet. But can they win over hardcore meat lovers? The future of food isn't just about what we eat, it's also about how we produce it. From AI-powered drones that monitor crop health to robots that harvest fruits and vegetables, technology is transforming agriculture. And let's not forget 3D printed food, where your dinner could be designed on a computer and printed layer by layer. The possibilities are endless, but with every innovation comes challenges. Will lab-grown meat and vertical farming put traditional farmers out of work? And how do we ensure these technologies are accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy? The future of food is exciting, but it's not without its controversies. The future of food is about more than just feeding the world. It's about doing it sustainably, ethically, and innovatively. Whether it's lab-grown meat, vertical farming, or plant-based alternatives, one thing is clear: the way we eat is changing. And it's up to us to embrace these changes for the sake of our planet and future generations. So what's on your plate in future? The future is closer than you think. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for amazing content. Don't miss out. Stay updated with every upload.